Hey guys, so I know that many of you want to install SteamOS on your NVIDIA computers running with NVIDIA GPUs, and this is actually possible now. I have created a tool which is going to make that very easy for you to complete. So first thing that we'll have to do is we need to download the application from GitHub. This is the page. Here you can see also pictures from me installing SteamOS on my computer. This is the desktop, and here you can also see that we are running NVIDIA GeForce RTX 5080. This is how the program looks, right? You can read everything about the program here. The download link is here on releases. You click on releases, scroll down, and here you're going to find the exe file. Download the exe file and install it. By the way, I'm currently being in certification process, so this same program will be probably available in Microsoft Windows store, so you can download it from there also. And when this is done, I will recommend that you don't download the application from GitHub, just download it from Microsoft Store, because then the application is certificated and everybody knows that it's safe to use, right? With that being said, let's go to how to create the image. Once you have installed the application, right, this is how it's going to start. You're going to get this pop-up window here, which have simple instructions. You can read them, you can follow them, but I'm going to show you exactly what to do. So yeah, you can just click got it. First of all, you can download the official SteamOS from this link here. When you press it, it's going to open your browser. It's going to bring you directly to store.steampower.com, and from here just click this box and download the image for SteamOS. Right, after you have the image downloaded, click browse, select your image. This is going to be the default folder for the output after we are done with the conversion. In point 3, we are going to select the type of GPU we have. This is going to work from RTX 20 series to RTX 50 series. Choose the ones that you have at your computer and just leave this latest recommended. Next step is really important. We need to create a Linux build engine. Click setup and then setup automatically. You will see that the program is going to start downloading files for the Linux engine. It's going to do some stuff. At some point, it's going to ask you to restart your computer. After you restart the computer, come back here, run the same actions, right? And when this is finished, the setup complete pop-up will show. This is how it's going to look. Click OK, and then you can close it. Now we have created a Linux build engine, which is going to help us to do what we want to do. The next step is very simple. Click check prerequisites. Once you click that, it's going to check that everything is fine with Arch Linux. Click OK. And after this is done, we can start the build for the image. Click the blue button, build and validate image. Click yes, and this is going to start working. Basically, we're going to integrate it now, the drivers that you have selected with the SteamOS. This process can take quite some time, from 5 to 10 minutes, depending on your system. So be patient, let it do its magic, and once it's finished, you'll be able to burn the image on your USB. Okay, now the installation is completed. If everything went well, you're going to see exactly this window. Click OK, and now you're gonna get instantly open the folder with the new SteamOS, which has the integrated NVIDIA drivers. The next step that you have to do is to follow the guide in Steam, download Rufus, burn the image on a USB, and after this is done, you can start installing your new SteamOS on your NVIDIA computer. I hope that this is actually useful for you. I'm sure that many of you will be very happy to be able to install SteamOS and start gaming. I have personally installed it also, and it's working like a charm. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.